Money transfer has become a crucial financial activity that keeps the financial industry turning. Having a basic understanding on how money transfer services work is crucial for maintaining a good financial stability and thereby managing your funds in a more flexible way. Companies like PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, NetSpend, among others, offer the best money transfer services nowadays. Hello everyone, and welcome to our money transfer series. In this episode, I'll show you how to transfer money from Chime to Cash App. So stick around as we'll be back after the intro. Does Chime work with Cash App? Chime works with Cash App, but you can't integrate the two platforms together. If you're looking to transfer money from Chime to Cash App, you'll have three options, which involve using your Chime debit card, using your Chime routing and account number, or using a linked bank account as a bridge. The Chime debit card is a Visa debit card offered by Chime to account holders to easily use their account for their financial transactions anywhere Visa debit card payments are accepted. If you already own an online bank account with Chime, you should probably have a Chime debit card, since it's offered to customers as soon as they open their online bank accounts with Chime. You'll have to link the Chime debit card to Cash App to transfer funds. To do so, open Cash App on your mobile phone, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, tap Linked Banks, tap Linked Debit Card, enter your Chime debit card information where required. Finally, click Link Card. After you have linked your Chime debit card to Cash App, transferring money from Chime to Cash App shouldn't be necessary, since you should be able to use your Chime debit card as a funding source for your transactions through Cash App. If you need the funds available in your Cash App balance, then you'll have to use a linked bank account as a bridge. In this case, you'll have to link a bank account to both your Cash App and Chime, transfer funds from Chime to your bank, and finally add the cash to your Cash App account. To transfer money from Chime to your external bank account, log into your Chime app, select Move Money, select Transfers. When you are prompted, enter the login credentials for your other bank, your external account. Finally, transfer the funds. Once you transfer the funds, the money should take 3 to 5 business days to arrive in your bank account. The next thing you'll want to do after the arrival of the funds will be to transfer money from your bank account to Cash App through the Add Cash feature of the app. To do so, tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen, press Add Cash, choose an amount, tap Add, use Touch ID or enter your PIN to confirm. After completing the steps, the funds should be loaded into your Cash App account. We have come to the end of our video. Check the video description to learn more about the process. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, like, and tap the notification bell icon for our latest money transfer guides. I see you in the next episode.